Hi everyone, it's your teacher Miss Kai, and today we are going to talk about a math strategy called halving and doubling. Again, this strategy already works with other strategies we've already learned, so take a look and let me know if you have any questions. So by the end of this video, we want to have a better understanding of our doubling and halving strategy, which can help us multiply. So our doubling and halving strategy is really another way about looking at equations, and it can help us reconstruct problems to make them easier to solve. So let's take a look at what I'm talking about. 1 times 16 as an array looks like this. 1 times 16 is 16 because 1 times any number is that number. 1 times 16 can also be seen as 2 times 8 because 2 times 8 also equals 16. So 1, 16, 2, and 8, all those numbers are factors of 16 because all of these numbers multiply to equal 16. Now, if you look at the array, we have cut the length of the 16, the 1 times 16 array. We have cut it in half and just moved it underneath the first half. And we got 2 times 8. So the area or the total number on the inside does not change, but the equation changes. So if we look at it from the equation perspective and not the array perspective, we see that 16 has been halved, it became 8, but 1 has been doubled to become 2. And we can see that in the array, where it becomes 16 by 1 becomes 8 by 2 on this side. Now we can cut it in half and we can double it again so that it looks like this. 4 times 4. We have double or a half to the one side, so we've halved 8 to make 4, and we have doubled 2 to make 4. So every time you do this, you are not changing the answer of the equation, you're just finding different factors of the equation that still have the same answer. So using this strategy can help you solve a problem that may seem tricky, but you have to make sure you're halving one side and you're doubling the other side. So you can repeat this process until you get a friendlier number. So 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4, all of these numbers are factors of 16. Now we're going to look at another problem just to practice this a little bit more and make it a little clearer. Let's look at another question and write it down with me. 1 times 24. So if we double one side and half the other side, we get 2 times 12. So I've doubled the 1 to get 2, and I've halved 24 to get 12. 2 times 12 is still 24. 1 times 24 is 24. So 1, 24, 2, and 12 are all factors of 24. Let's do it one more time. Let's double this side and half this side. So when we double this side, we get 4. And when we half 12, or half this side, we get 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12, so we know that's half. And 2 plus 2 equals 4, so we know that is double. So 4 times 6. And these are also factors of 24. Can we do it one more time? So if we double and half it again,
we get 8 times 3. So 4 plus 4, so 4 doubled is 8. 6 halved, or 6 divided by 2, is 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. So 3 and 8 are also factors of 24. Can we do it again? Let's take a look. Can we double 8? Yes, we could double 8 and it would be 16. But can we half 3? No, we can't half 3. So we cannot double and half this number any further. So this is as far as we can get. But now we have all of our factors here, so we could actually write a factor tree. So our factor tree for 24 is 1 and 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, just like down there, and 4 times 6. I like to go in order, so I like to use every single number 1, 2, 3, 4 until I can find ones that can't be used, because that lets me know if I am forgetting or missing any. So this is our factor tree. All of these numbers are numbers that multiply to make 24. They are all factors of 24. Now that we have a better understanding of our halving and doubling strategy and a little bit of an understanding of what factors are, I want you guys to go in and practice this strategy using dice. So you can use a 1-digit number on one side of the equation and a 2-digit number on the other side of the equation to practice. And once you feel like you understand this strategy, on Tuesday you can move into answering the questions that I have provided you on your week 18 math problems sheet. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message or pop into our Google Meets throughout the day. I will be on there most of the time, and if I'm not, then just send me a message and I will try and make time to meet up with you guys. Bye!